Everyone, good afternoon to all of you. My name is Ayush Kumar. My name is Ayush Kumar. I am here to deliver a speech on the topic drugs addiction. We all knows about drugs, but sometimes we get confusion that drugs is also good for us and also bad for us. So I discuss now to you all. Drugs are chemical substances which have an effect on our body. There are two types of drugs. One is legal and another is illegal. The legal drugs are basically the medicines which we use in our daily life and various problems in our body such as body ache, headache, etc. These drugs are also cure to our body ailments. But the illegal drugs are the ones that used to get into the state of being intoxicated or drunk. These help people to lose their senses and forget everything. Consumption of such drugs is illegal and can have adverse effect on our body. It can affect us body both physically and mentally. Young people often start with just testing of these drugs and then end up getting addicted to it. They do this due to various reasons. They consume it sometimes because of unfair expectations and stress. The drugs make them feel high and its after effect are quite relaxing, but its effect in the long run can damage their brain and liver. Students also get into drugs addiction when they fail to get emotional support. So they turn themselves towards drugs to calm their agitation and anger. Poverty is also one of the reasons behind a drug selling network. Drug seller target student and make them addicted to drugs. Initially, they give drugs to the student for free once and they get addicted. They start charging them. They also target poor children and make them sell drugs in order and earn to some money. In the in at the end, I would request you to stay away from drugs and always reach your parents and family to resolve your problem in your daily life. Drugs may look attractive initially, but it has capacity to destroy your life, future of a person. We should say complete no to drugs. And one more thing, I wish you to all happy Durga Puja to my dear friends and my respected Akansha ma'am. Thank you.
जय हो। Hello? Am I audible? Yes, Rohit. You want to deliver your speech?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can deliver. तो बोलना चाहिए ना, I am not.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
अरे go ahead with your speech बच्चे.
Ma'am,
आप speech दे सकते हैं.
good afternoon, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Rohit Kumar. I deliver speech on Durga Puja. There are many festivals celebrated in our country. One of them is Durga Puja. It is the festival of Hindus. People celebrate this festival with joy. This festival is celebrated in the month of Asin on this day. The victory of good over ill. On this day, Ram killed Ravan for reason. This festival continues for 10 days. God is sacrificed in Durga Puja. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, very good. You have tried, that is a good thing. ठीक है. But आपका जो speech है, ठीक है. You have just written a paragraph about Durga Puja. ठीक है. वो speech नहीं है. आपने सिर्फ paragraph लिखा है. ठीक है. तो speech का जो structure मैंने बताया था उस हिसाब से बना सकते हैं. Otherwise it was good. ठीक है. It's good you have tried.
Okay.
Yes. आ जाइए बच्चे. लॉगिन किया आपने? रेज योर हैंड. कैमरा ऑन कर लीजिए एंड यू कैन गो अहेड विद द स्पीच.
Hello. Good afternoon, everyone. So this is Pankaj Kumar here, and I'm here to tell you something about experience if I were the ruler of the world. So on Saturday night, it was just around 2:30 a.m. when I was startled into awakeness. It was a dark and stormy night. It was raining steadily outside. After seeing that horrible scene, I rolled back and forth in my bed, trying to fall back asleep. My eyes were closed. Then a silly thought arose in my mind that what would be happen if I become the ruler of the world. It was actually quite amazing and interesting concept that what would I do if I rule the world? So according to me, if I were the ruler of the world, I would have tried the silliest thing that humans can ever dream and dare of doing such things, such as a conference telephone conversation with a person on the moon, one on the Jupiter, one on the Saturn, and one on our own planet, that is the Earth. But apart from this, I would always be ready to help people when they need. My friends, if I ruled the world, I would make sure that a young girl in the corner, standing all alone by herself, would not be teased or spoken about as if she was something to examine, supported, and understood. I would make her worries my worries, and I would do my best to see through her eyes, experience her life, and then help her to make others understand well. I would encourage everyone not to hide from who they are, whether that's because of sexuality, gender, body insecurity, or race. But my dear friends, in my opinion, my dream of ruling the world would not come into the existing reality because there were some dreams which appeared to be perfect only in the fantasy, but not in the real world. So overall, the main motive of my today's speech is not to entertain you, but to bring the helping nature inside you, which has been lost somewhere. Because the real happiness lies in helping others. I think most of the people here would have watched the movie Jai Ho. There is a beautiful lesson in that movie. If I help you, don't thank me. Rather, you do a good turn to 3 others and ask them to help another 3 people each. Then the world will change. So friends, once during the movie session, which is conducted by our respected Poddar sir, you all have watched and listened to a motivational speech delivered by Muniba Majari. There is a beautiful lines by her which touched my heart, is that what's the real life? You work hard, you make money, you do it for yourself. That's not life. You go out, you seek for people who need your help. You make their lives better. You become that sponge we can absorb all the negativity, and you become that person which can emit beautiful positive vibes. And when you realize that you have changed someone's life, that is the day when you leave. That's all, friends. Thank you.
स्पीच तो इतनी अच्छी लिखी, डिलीवरी भी ठीक ठाक थी, बट यू कैन इम्प्रूव. देयर इज अ पॉइंट वेयर देयर इज एन इम्प्रूवमेंट नीडेड. ठीक है, वो इम्प्रूवमेंट होना चाहिए. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट टाइम इट शुड बी मोर फ्लुएंट. ठीक है, फ्लुएंट का क्या मतलब होता है मुझे बताइए. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ फ्लुएंसी? माइक दीजिए. फ्लुएंट होने का क्या मतलब हुआ? सॉरी, फ्लुएंट का मतलब ये होता है दैट यू aren't hesitated to say the words. ठीक है, आपका जो ये फ्लुएंसी है, मतलब कि उतार चढ़ाव एक होता है. जब आप हिंदी में बोलते हैं लगातार, तो आपके शब्दों में वो जो स्वभाव पता चलता है आपका, वट एवर यूर फीलिंग, यू कैन टेल बाय द वर्ड्स दैट आर uttered. वही फ्लुएंसी आपकी इंग्लिश में जब आएगी, देन यू कैन से दैट यू हैव लर्न टू स्पीक इंग्लिश करेक्टली. ठीक है, जब आप अपने इमोशंस एक्सप्रेस कर पाए इंग्लिश के थ्रू, दैट इज द पॉइंट देन यू हैव रीच्ड, कि आप कह सकते हैं दैट आई एम फ्लुएंट इन इंग्लिश और आई कैन हैव अ कॉमन कॉन्वर्सेशन इन इंग्लिश. समझे? तो वो चीज लानी है, अदरवाइज योर स्पीच वाज वेरी गुड. यस, बैठ जाइए. आप बच्चे ये स्पीच जो लिख के लेके आए हैं, ये अपने से तो नहीं लिखी है आपने?
मैम एक मूवी देखा, मूवी से सर जो बताया तो देखा, इसके बाद उस मूवी से.
You haven't written this on your own.
मैम बट मूवी
आपने अपने से तो नहीं लिखा है ये.
मैम मूवी से यूज किया हो तो क्या अपने से?
नहीं, not that thing. What I'm telling you is you have taken the help of Google or not?
No Google.
Are you sure?
Ma'am, I want to see a movie like making of Gandhi.
Yes, I know that movie, but the thing is ki whatever words you have used, if I am asking you the meaning of those words, will you be able to answer that question? No, grammatical is correct, and I know why it is correct. I'm just asking you, are you able to confess that you have taken the help of someone else? Okay, fine. You can. Acha bacha, you can deliver. You want to deliver? I. He'll deliver. हाँ बच्चे कर रहे हैं. 1 मिनट, पेन ले लीजिए अपना.
मैम को चाहिए था इसके लिए, मैं अपने
शिवम, you can deliver this, okay? आप डिलीवर कर सकते हैं इसके बाद. Raise your hand, बच्चे. Give me that. Give me that. I'll ask questions then. Okay. What is the meaning of synonyms? What is the meaning of synonyms?
हिंदी मीनिंग जानना है.
Raise hand raise करिए बच्चे अपना. I've not
मतलब
been.
meaning overview में meaning क्या है? Detail
Have you raised your hand? Like, अच्छा login किए हैं अभी, ये आप ही हैं? अच्छा, someone who has logged in already, वो फोन दे दीजिए इनको.
ये ले लीजिए. दे दीजिए ना.
Kishan.
वेटिंग कर रहे थे.
अनम्यूट कर लीजिए बच्चे उसका, अनम्यूट कर लीजिए एंड कैमरा ऑन कर लीजिए. Yes, go ahead and read.
Good morning, friends. All of you. I am Manish Kumar. Today I am going to give a short story. Once upon a time, when I was reading class 10 in Vidya Coaching Center, Vasanthi, then I met a girl.
डिलीवर कर देना, ठीक है?
She loved me dearly, but I didn't like. 2-3 months has passed like this was going on, but later on my answer in love. Suddenly one day I asked him, तेरी कुर्बानी हो गई क्या? मतलब तेरी सगाई हो गई क्या? So she said that she used to go home saying, God, I used to call her daily. It's matter of
Yes.
I told him her, तेरी कुर्बानी हो गई क्या? So she said, दिखता नहीं है क्या? ये कड़ा हुआ बल्लू. So it's as seen under my feet. So I just go home. Then it was her turn where I line. जिस पल हम मिले माने, जिस पल हम मिले माने, उस पल सच कि कल तक हमको तुमको कल तक हमको सुन सकी तो होगा. साजन की अंजुरी पर अंजुरी तो कांपी होगी, साजन की अंजुरी पर अंजुरी तो कांपी होगी, मेरी सुधियों ने रास्ता रोका तो होगा. उस पल के जीने में आंसू पी लेने में, उस पल के जीने में आंसू पी लेने में, मरते हैं मन ही मन मार कर तुम्हें, कैसे ए आशिक हैं जो प्यार कर तुम्हें. तो जब उसकी शादी हो रही थी तो उसके डैड पूछे कि बेटा तू.
My name is Shiva Verma. I start my poetry. हम अपने घरों को छोड़कर जब इन शहरों में आते हैं, तुम क्या जानोगे हम कैसे रह पाते हैं. कभी ना मिलता अच्छा खाना, खुद ही बना के खाते हैं. हर खर्च के सारे पैसे हम पर खर्च हो जाते हैं. माँ बाप के हर फोन पर अंदर से रो जाते हैं. उनके हर सवालों का जवाब दिए जाते हैं. क्या जानोगे स्वामी बाबू हम कैसे रह पाते हैं. जब कभी है देर हो जाती, हम डरते डरते जाते हैं. किसी भी नारी को देखकर हम सम्मान से सच दिखाते हैं. इन हरकतों से सबको शायद गवार भी कहे जाते हैं. क्या जानोगे बाबू हम कैसे रह पाते हैं. बचपन के हम सच्चे बहादुर, बचपन के सच्चे बहादुर यहाँ के धोखों से डर जाते हैं. अपनी अच्छाई के खातिर वे मतलब मार भी खाते हैं. हरदम सच बोलने वाले घर पे झूठ बोलते जाते हैं। घर के हालात देखकर हम सब कुछ सह जाते हैं। अंदर से रोते रहते पर आंसू कभी न दिखाते हैं। तुम क्या जानते शादी बाबू, हम कैसे रह पाते हैं। हिम्मत जब भी टूट जाती खुद ही हौसला बढ़ाते हैं। घर की तकलीफों की खातिर हम खुद को तड़पाते हैं। एक दो रुपयों के खातिर हम ऑटो वाले से लड़ते हैं। इन हरकतों से हम गवाह भी कह जाते हैं। पर तुम क्या जानोगे शादी बाबू, हम कैसे रह पाते हैं। आप सभी सोचते हैं लाइफ इज इजी फॉर बॉयज एंड नॉट इजी फॉर गर्ल्स, नॉट फेयर। एक सिंगल सी लाइन है, बहुत लाइन है कि जितना तुम समझते हो उतनी आसान नहीं होती। जितना तुम समझते हो उतनी आसान नहीं होती। और बात लड़की करते हो कभी अकेला बनकर शहर में चल जाओ, पता चल जाएगा हम लड़कों की जिंदगी बिल्कुल भी आसान नहीं होती।